over here. Now then, just a little bit more. Maybe that's it. Okay. What's over here, Moko-chan? Don't. That's not my fault. No, Moko-chan, that way. The pink jelly jumped around the blackberries. What's over here? Let's go back that way, Moko-chan. Just a bit sneezy today, I think. Just a bit. Really? Yeah. Okay, let's just continue on then. Okay, sorry. Moko-chan! Gone. Okay, let's just continue going down and then we'll take the short way up, okay? No more junk. It's jelly. Really? I would like a tissue. No. There's still more. Okay, well, let's hit the button. Pizza delivery. Mococo sneezed all over it. You're welcome. It's okay. The sneeze is getting cooked off of it now. Delicious. Sanitary. Yeah.